Are cryptocurrency exchanges really that safe? So a lot of people ask us all the time, where should I keep my coins? Is it really safe to keep them on an exchange? What should I do and how should I do it? And is it really that much of a concern and a danger? Well, the honest answer is no cryptocurrency exchange is ever going to be as safe as keeping your coins on your private keys and your kind of hard or cold wallets completely off the internet, away from everything. That's the best storage that you can get. If you want some more information about how that works, you can have a look around our channel here for the video on hot and cold wallets. That gives you a full explanation of this in much more detail. But for the sake of keeping things nice and short and sweet in this video, cryptocurrency exchanges aren't all one thing. There are hundreds of different types of cryptocurrency exchanges. The general rule of thumb is the bigger the exchange, the top tier premium exchanges. So at the time of filming this, you're looking at things like Binance, or maybe not strictly a crypto exchange, but somewhere like Coinbase. The bigger, more known websites generally are the safest places for your coins to be in the kind of online ecosystem, as it were. Now, this doesn't mean they're guaranteed. It doesn't mean those coins can't get hacked. Ultimately, when coins are on exchanges, you don't have the keys to those coins. You can't restore them to another device or to another location. So there's a very common saying in the crypto community, which is not your keys, not your coins. And unfortunately, that does apply in pretty much all contexts with online storage mechanisms. So although some of them you are able to kind of have access to other things and you can get your key in some instances, the vast majority of exchanges, your coins are kind of on there at the will of the exchange. Now that's very good if you want to do lots of quick trades, or you're moving money in and out, or you're kind of selling things for cash. Of course, you do need to go through those platforms, but it really shouldn't be somewhere where you keep a large amount of coins for a long period of time. If you're thinking of kind of sitting on coins and holding them, then keep them off exchanges as best as you can. If you're looking to do something active with your coins in a smaller time period, then stick with the biggest exchanges possible in order to be the most secure. As the ecosystem develops, there are kind of insurances which are now coming up and being implemented. There's rumors of Binance having some type of insurance program from profits and things of that nature. So again, you have to appreciate we're still quite early to this sector, and we don't quite yet have the regulation and all the kind of back-end support that the traditional banking system does. But as this company and as this sector and as the blockchain ecosystem gets bigger and bigger, it's very likely that those more common kind of safeguard and assurances will come into play. But as it stands today, your keys, your coins, your responsibility. If you leave them on an exchange, then yes, they are more vulnerable. How vulnerable? You know, the reality of it is it depends about things getting hacked and, you know, people doing malicious things. The reality of it is a lot of those big exchanges are pretty damn safe. Some people have said to me, Josh, look, I don't understand keys. I don't understand hardware wallets. It's all a bit confusing for me. And to be honest, I just don't want to learn it. I'm quite happy just logging in with an email and a password and keeping my coins on Coinbase. And the reality of it is even if the other mechanism is a bit more secure, the reality of it is what if I lose my coins, or I lose my key, or I lose my device, then actually I'm never going to lose his email address and password because I just know it. So in those circumstances, on a personal level, even though technically it might be more secure and safer to keep them offline, if you're the type of person that you think will lose a 24-word code, if you're the type of person that's going to lose a physical device, if you're the type of person who would honestly just rather have one email address and one password and maybe two-factor authentication on your phone, then exchanges aren't necessarily always the worst thing. So again, it comes down to personal circumstances. Technically, you're more vulnerable. In reality, it does work better for some people. I've been Josh from Easy Crypto. I hope this has helped answer some of your crypto questions. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about the sector, maybe you've got some other questions that are burning on your mind, have a look around the channel, leave us a like, give us a subscribe, and we can't wait to see you in the next video soon.